Good morning. It's a beautiful Friday, 24th of November, 2023. I'm Seidu from Cardano, Ghana community. I'm here once again to provide a short tutorial on how to register as community reviewer of an 11. So as you can see, the roadmap of community review for an 11. Registration kickstart yesterday, 23rd of October. 23rd of November. And then the registration is expected to end on December 10th. Try your possible best and then get yourself registered from now up to December 10th so that you will not be left out in this innovative and interactive session of Project Catalyst. And you can see the work or review itself will start from December 14th to 4th January 2024. That's next year. So try your possible best. For the levels, level 0 and level 1, that is where the reviews will start, 14th of December, just 4 days after the end of registration. And then moderation will commence on the 11th of January to 18th of January. That's a week. By level 2. This level 2, mostly the Cardano ambassadors and others who have done a marvelous jobs from community reviews, and then they have more reputation and credibility. They are given access to moderate our reviews. And then we also have data release, aggregated file of everything of our reviews will be released on January 22nd. So the file will be released and we'll share with the community as well. So in this file you will find how many of your reviews which are valid, which are not valid during the moderation stage, what happens to what a number of your reviews, and probably a number of reviews which are passed and everything. This aggregator file will spell out everything and you see your work and then know the number of reviews that you are expecting rewards from. And then the rewards itself will come in somewhere in March. So March 2024. But take note that this timeline reflects target days and may be subject to change. So it can change. But this, if we are going to follow by fan 10, it will go through fan 10. Everything goes through. There was no changes to regards to this timelines. The timelines provided. So we expect that fan 11 to we have more collaboration and more energy by the Catalyst team and the community members. So everything will go as planned, and then there will not be changed by March 2024. The rewards will be there. And for those of you who are still asking how much is the review, the reward per review, just a quick one on that. What happened is that during the Fan 10 review, a review for level 0 was 17 ADA. That was the agreement during the registration. It was 17 ADA, and level 1 was 33 ADA. But at the end of it, when the payment or the rewards came, it was adjusted upwards. So what happened is that it was adjusted to 25 and 50 for level 0 and level 1 respectively. So what happened is that we are not expecting something probably lower than 20 ADA per review. But let's say that there's a document still in progress, preparing for us to know how much we earn for reviewing a proposal. So I will not comment on that one for now. So let's leave that one to lie. When that data is released, I will share with you, and then if there's anything you can ask, and then we'll get ourselves more clear on that. So without much ado, let's dive into more more of what we are to do today. That is to register as community reviewer. So what happens is that the first thing you have to do is to just log on into your IdeaScale account. That is cardano.ideascale. Cardano.ideascale. So let's do that. Once you do that, there will be a pop-up form. Cardano.ideascale. So I have that already. So Cardano.ideascale. So when you just type Cardano.ideascale and then click on I've already signed up, you have to enter your email as we did during the community launch, and enter your password that you choose when you were registering the account. So after doing that, you click on login, it will open. When IdeaScale open, there will be a pop-up form. Look at it. This is it. So this is the pop-up form. So with this pop-up form, the first question that you're going to see will be, would you like to participate as a reviewer in Fan 11 community review stage? Please, this first question, you just drop out this checkbox and click on the last one. Yes, I want to be a community reviewer and I also understand the rule. So after clicking on this one, the second one is prefer challenge. So drop it down and then look at the challenges that we are going through this Fan 11 and select challenges that you are most preferable to assess proposals on or to review proposal on as it is now. So for me, I'm choosing on concept. I'll also drop down again. I'll choose on ecosystem. I drop down. I choose on product. I drop down. I choose on developer. And maybe let me add one. Catalyst system improvement. That's discovery. So this is the challenges I wish to review proposals on. So you can choose all. You can choose all if you want. You can choose all. You can also cancel if you don't want to have more challenges in your distance. So you can just do all the changes that you want or you wish to do, and then you are good to go. So let me leave this for the second. Will be prefer themes. So you have to choose the most relevant tag that can help identify your category, that can help categorize your role. You know what happens in community review is that if you say you want to review proposal on Cardano use cases concept, you have to choose a tag so that the community, the Catalyst team will be able to have some sense of direction to assign proposal to you for review. So that probably if you are a developer, you can just choose you are a developer, you are into this and that and that and that, so that proposal on maybe product on developers will be assigned to you. If you are non-technical, if you are educator, community manager, ecosystem aspect person, you choose, and then proposals in that direction will be assigned to you so that you can do the review, and then there will not be any qualms, and then you can go, because you don't want a situation where proposal will be assigned to you and then you read it and you don't understand. So if you read a proposal and you don't understand, what are you going to review? You have nothing to say about it. So these tags are very important. So drop down and choose tags that are most preferable, aligned to you. So if you are Cardano ambassador, education, events, incubation, regional expansion, standard and regulation, translation, developer ecosystem collaboration, developer team, developer tools, stake pool operators, node, and others. So these are just tags that you have to choose. Exchange. So let's just choose. So you choose explorer, gaming, decentralized finance. Mention them. Identity solution, NFTs, wallet, education. Mention. You can choose as many as possible. Next is what? Reward address. Please, we've been saying this. Make sure your reward address is what? Chile address. Aside it being Chile address, make sure it's from one of the native wallet of Cardano. We prefer you use Yoroi wallet because Yoroi is a wallet built by Emego, which is an arm of Cardano. So use Yoroi wallet and you don't have problem. You can also use Eternal, but don't go use Binance. Don't go use any centralized exchange either address and come and paste it there. We don't want that. So please use Yoroi as we assist you to create your wallet during the registration. So when you just open your wallet, go in and click on receive. When you click on receive, address will pop out. The address will be there. Click on the copy. Don't do anything, and you see copy to the clipboard. Come and click and hold and then paste it here. Once you do that in the IDSK, you don't have to do it here again. But if you have not done it in the IDSK, you can do it here. So next is what? Fan 11 level. Fan 11 level, that's F11 level. Do not edit. For the level, do not edit. You are not going to determine whether you are going to be level 1, level 0, or level 2. No. That one is not your business. The Catalyst team will handle that. So level 1, level 0, it's not your business. So leave that to the Catalyst team. And then the last one to Fan 11 allocation. That one too, you can see, do not edit. So leave it as it is. And then you just, that is how, this is where the proposal will assign to. So you don't have to do that. They will look at your registration and look at what best defines you and allocate some proposal to you to also review and get rewarded. So which of these defines you? So you can, as we did during the IDSK account setup, you can add something here too. If maybe you don't add teacher, you can add teacher too. So you can do this and submit. Once you do this, and just go and make sure that the first one is that you have accepted to be a community reviewer, and then you understand the rules. You choose the challenges that you want, and choose the tag that's most preferable, defines you well, and then you are done. Your reward address is there. Do not edit, and submit. Wow, so you see it. Congratulations. Thanks for answering these questions. You have now registered to be a community reviewer in Fan 10. Thank you very much. And then we are looking forward to 14th of December to kickstart the community review together. And then we'll see how best we can share ideas and learn from others, so that next time, those of us who are not submitting or who are not putting down proposal for this Fan 11, we will have also get some ideas from others, so that we can also put our own proposals. So the best thing, as we said, is that come on board as community reviewer, help others to refine their proposals, give them back information, help them to refine and then make their proposal best to improve the Cardano ecosystem for the benefits of all of us. So thank you very much. You have now registered to be a community reviewer in Fan 11. Let's keep our kick back to our community and engage and ask questions as many as possible where we don't get understanding. Let's ask. We are available to answer all your questions. Thanks very much for your time, and see you in 14th November. Bye. Cheers.